have to pass your pigology exam, and then you get your pig identification. Can I see your pig ID? I haven't given it to you. Did you pass your test? Oh, no, that's not it. No, that's okay. We have a backup plan. We're going to borrow that for a minute. And yes, we always are ready here at Bishop's Pumpkin Farm. All right, now look over there at the blue group. Now look at the green group. Yes, they'll all make sure it's on Facebook in the morning. Now, Chris, I want you to go over there to the Pink Piggy finish line and pick up the Pink Piggy finish line flag. Give it a wave. Casey, stand.